As the festive season approaches, it's time to rethink some of the traditional frugal trends that have become outdated and may not serve us well anymore. Today, we'll explore 20 outdated frugal trends that you might consider ditching this Christmas to celebrate more joyfully and efficiently. Trend 1: low costs in DIY projects. While DIY can be fun and cost-effective, trying to make everything yourself can be time-consuming and stressful. Consider balancing handmade items with store-bought or pre-made options. Extreme couponing for holiday shopping. Ditch the time-consuming practice of extreme couponing for holiday shopping. Instead, focus on targeted deals and digital coupons for a more efficient approach. Skimping on quality for decorations. Invest in quality holiday decorations that will last for years rather than cheap items that need to be replaced annually. Trend 4: regifting without thought. Regifting can be practical, but ensure it's thoughtful. Avoid passing on items just to get rid of them. Make sure they're suitable and appreciated by the recipient. Avoiding all holiday treats to save money. It's okay to indulge a little during the holidays. Balance your budget to include some festive treats and enjoy the season's pleasures. Cutting corners on travel. Don't compromise too much on holiday travel. Look for deals and plan ahead, but ensure your travel is safe and comfortable. Using cheap wrapping materials. Opt for durable and reusable wrapping options instead of cheap, single-use wrapping paper. Consider fabric wraps, reusable bags, or recycled paper. Hosting potlucks to avoid cooking. While potlucks can be great, they shouldn't be a way to avoid hosting duties entirely. A mix of potluck and provided food can offer a balanced, enjoyable gathering. Buying gifts only in sales. While it's smart to shop sales, don't limit gift purchasing only to sale items. Focus on the gift's meaning and usefulness rather than just the price. Skipping holiday events to save money. Don't miss out on memorable experiences just to save money. Look for free or low-cost local events to enjoy the festive spirit. Overusing credit card rewards. Be cautious with credit card spending just to earn rewards. Avoid overspending and accumulating debt. 10-12. Delaying necessary purchases for post-holiday sales. If something is needed now, don't delay it for the sake of post-holiday sales. Timely purchases can sometimes be more cost-effective. Handmade gifts for everyone. While handmade gifts are special, they're not always feasible or desired. It's okay to mix handmade with purchased gifts. Forgoing holiday joy to save money. Remember, the essence of the holidays is joy and togetherness. Don't forgo festive happiness for the sake of extreme frugality. You're compromising on food quality. Quality food is a central part of holiday celebrations. Balance your budget to allow for some special holiday meals or ingredients. Minimalist gifting at the expense of sentiment. While minimalist gifting is good, ensure it doesn't come at the cost of sentimentality or thoughtfulness. Ignoring new technology for savings. Embrace new technologies that can offer convenience and savings, such as digital invitations or e-cards instead of traditional, often more expensive methods. Trend 80: relying on traditional Christmas activities. Be open to new and different holiday activities that might be more cost-effective or enjoyable. Overdoing the frugal theme in gifting. Gifts should be about what the recipient would enjoy, not just what's cheapest or most frugal. Forgetting to enjoy the season. Above all, remember to enjoy the holiday season. Balance frugality with the spirit of Christmas and create joyous memories without undue financial stress. Frugality during the holidays doesn't mean cutting out all the fun and joy. This Christmas, ditch these outdated frugal trends and find a balance that allows you to celebrate the festive season richly yet sensibly. Let's make this holiday season both merry and financially smart.